Hello everybody, welcome to your GK class. So children, today in the class you have to identify the name of the festival by looking at the pictures. Okay, so let's start. Now children, look at this picture. Here in the picture we can find the children are playing with colors, and also with the help of water gun they are spraying colors on each other, right? So now children, can you all tell me in which festival we play with colors? Very good. We play with colors during Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. During this festival, we apply gulal or colors to each other and share love to each other. So, this is the festival Holi. Now children, look at this one. Here we can find that in the Red Fort the flag is being hosted, and also we can find our national flag. Now can you all tell me during which festival do we host our national flag, and it is also our national festival? Okay, let me give you one more hint. Can you all tell me when did our country, India, got independent? Well done everyone. Our country got independence on 15th August 1947, and it's called Independence Day. It's called Independence Day. During Independence Day, we host our national flag and also sing our national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana. So, it's Independence Day. Well done. Now children, you have to identify the name of the festival by looking at these pictures. Here in the picture we can find the picture of boat racing. Also we can find the girls are putting rangoli, right? So children, which festival is very famous for boat racing? Any guesses? Very good. It's Onam. It's Onam. We have already learned that during Onam we love to do music, dance and also boat racing. So here by looking at the picture we can identify the festival Onam. Now children, can you all tell me who is this? Very good. He is Mahatma Gandhi. He is Mahatma Gandhi. Now children, can you all tell me when do we celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi? Well done. We celebrate it on 2nd October every year. We celebrate it on 2nd October every year, and this day is known as, any guesses? Very good. It's Gandhi Jayanti. It's Gandhi Jayanti. Now children, one more question is, can you all tell me that who is known as Bapu and also the father of the nation? Well done. Again, it's Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as Bapu and also the father of the nation. Now children, can you all identify the name of the festival by looking at these pictures? Very good. Here we can understand that this is the festival of Eid or Eid-ul Fitr. During Eid, we go to mosque for pray, and we also exchange gifts and love with each other, right? So children, this is the festival Eid.